Most businesses are leaving money on the table and they don't even know it. So if you're someone who knows they can make a lot more money with their email marketing, or you're just starting out and you're looking for an advanced strategy for your e-commerce brand, I'm here to help you do exactly that. Just like these guys who generated 7 figures in revenue with my help, they didn't know where they were leaving money on the table and soon saw their sales soar with a 50% increase in email revenue. Or this client who got a 55% increase in email revenue working with me. And this client who saw a consistent 300% year-on-year growth working with me as well. This is what I've done for others and what I can do for you too. And right now you're watching this video because you know you're either sitting on an untapped gold mine or you know you could be. Either way, I'm here to help you increase your margin and increase profit in your business. See, email is all about relationship management. And when you can authentically communicate with your audience, they come back to buy from you again and again and again. This is how this client increased his repeat purchase rate and got 40% total email revenue. And this client who surpassed his email target and saw a 35% increase in email revenue as well. The results don't lie. So feel free to shoot me a message and I'll help you too. Thanks so much for watching. All the best.